Hey everyone, welcome back to Lumiere Log number 7. I'm Tim Williams, your co-host, and this is Joshua Kirk, all the way back from the UK.
It's great to be back.
So we took a short hiatus while Joshua was away. I actually didn't think that I was going to be entertaining enough for you to watch me solo, so now that I got the man himself back, we thought we'd come at you with number 7, which we did promise you in our launch that we would bring you number 7, so I'm sorry that didn't come to you earlier.
What have you been doing since I've been away?
I have been mountain biking. Why did you go to the UK?
Yeah, well, it's not ideal timing, launching a company and then the next day taking off for 4 weeks. Luckily, I have a great co-pilot. So yes, holiday was amazing, but back on the ground now, and hence the logs are up and running.
While Josh was on his 4-week hiatus, we didn't shut up shop here. I was busy working away. We had a few leads come in, which was nice. Got a couple that we have got across the line, which is awesome. So business is growing. Hey, Lumiere is actually developing into a business that runs and operates in the black.
In the black?
In the black.
Is that what they say?
Well, if you're in the red, you're in debt, right? But in the black is...
Isn't it the green?
In the green. When's green come from? Okie dokie.
So you've actually been working?
Been working, been hustling, keeping the boat afloat, the Greenpeace boat afloat. We've got some exciting projects coming up, which we're real excited
to engage with the audience.
We've got some really exciting projects coming up, which we're pumped to be a part of, and so we're looking forward to showing you more content rolling out across our socials as we get content out for these clients.
So leading up to our launch 4 weeks ago, we were quite busy on social media, particularly Instagram. Just in the first 6 weeks, we've actually grown quite a bit. We're averaging around 10 to 15 new followers per post, but we wanted to take the opportunity when I went overseas to step back a little bit on the Instagram stories just to see what would happen to our engagement. So we just went completely quiet on the stories. No live streams, no stories, and we haven't posted anything to Instagram TV. And what happened is we noticed a massive decrease in our profile engagement. The activity around the individual posts was still the same, but as a whole our profile drops. So right there we obviously discovered that Instagram stories is such a key part of your Instagram strategy.
In terms of our Instagram involvement from a Lumiere head office, we've kind of organically developed into a model where I'm looking after the feed and Joshua's looking after the stories. Kind of just happened that way. It wasn't really a chat where we had and each one of us put up our hand for something. Just the way it rolled.
In other news, Tim has moved into this small room we call Lumiere headquarters. And for those of you who haven't been part of the journey right from the beginning, we haven't actually been doing Lumiere full time until now. Up to the launch, we were working 1 to 2 days a week on it individually. And so this week has literally been the first week where we've come to work every day as Lumiere.
So it's nice to have a work buddy and be able to have some consistency in work hours so that we can chug through the amount of work that we have to do. Good to be back. Sorry about the 4-week hiatus. If there is anything that you have seen over the past 6 logs or something that you want to know about Lumiere and our internal processes, feel free to drop us a line in the comments. But for now, that's us, over and out. I am Tim Williams and that's Joshua Kirk right next to me. Lumiere Log number 7.
Check us out on the gram, check us out on Facebook, check us out on the website www.lumiere.nz.